In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a gallery to Shopify. We will do this right inside your theme customizer, using a built-in section that works well as a simple image gallery. This is a great option when you want a clean visual layout without needing any extra apps. First, go to your Shopify admin and open Online Store. From there, click Themes. You will see your current theme listed. Find the button that says Customize and click it. This opens the theme editor, where you can control the layout and content of your storefront pages. Once you are in the editor, look to the left sidebar. This is where your page structure is organized into sections and blocks. Click Add Section. A list of available sections will appear. Select Multi-Column. This section is typically used for features or highlights, but it also works perfectly for a gallery because it lets you place multiple images in a neat grid. After you add the multi-column section, move to the Settings panel on the right side. This is where you adjust how the section displays. Find the setting for number of columns on desktop and set it to the number of images you want visible in a row on larger screens. If you want a classic gallery feel, more columns will show more images at once. Fewer columns will make each image larger and more prominent. Next, locate the image width setting and choose full width of column. This is important because it makes each image fill its column, creating a clean edge-to-edge look with consistent sizing. Now go back to the left sidebar and click into each column block within your multi-column section. Upload the images you want to use for your gallery. As you add images, watch the live preview to confirm the spacing and alignment looks the way you want. To keep the gallery purely visual, delete the default heading and description text inside each column. This removes extra text so your images remain the focus. When everything looks right, click Save. Your gallery is now added to your Shopify store and will display based on the layout settings you chose. That covers everything you need to know.